Hi Pisces, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your prediction for the month of May 2021, and we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you in the coming month. Okay, so this is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's get started with your reading. Before that, I'm going to take one card for you from my Moonology deck, and let's see what is the guidance from this deck for the month of May. One guidance please for my Pisces for the month of May 2021. One card. Confidence is your key to success. Okay, so this is a gentle reminder to you, I would say, Pisces, because Pisces are confident, but sometimes, they stop being self-confident. They stop, but they have the talent of becoming confident because they are self-motivating as well. They motivate others as well. So confidence is your key to success. If you just be confident always, okay? So this is a reminder. I won't say that this is not inherited in you. It is already, okay? Let me take out one more card for my Pisces. Okay. If you're feeling demotivated in your work, in your situation, just bring your confidence back to that situation. Okay, self-confidence as well, I would tell you. And accept love. Well, Pisces are famous for giving love, so be ready to accept love as well. I don't know, but you are behaving like, since it is also a new moon in Leo, and accept love. I feel that you are not in your energies, Pisces. You are more in the Leo energies, fire energies. I don't know, I'm getting it because you are the ones who always give love. You are the givers. So it's time to accept the love which you are getting. Okay, receive that love, because people are trying to give it to you, but because might be of some bad past, or might be because of a low confidence in yourself, you are not able to accept that love. So there is love around you. There's showering, it's like blessings of love around you. People are trying to love you. People are trying to motivate you. They are gathering around you. Accept the love. So start being confident. I don't know why, but this reminds me of the strength card here, because I see this lion, and lion is also in our strength card in tarot. This is inner strength, okay, inner confidence, self-confidence thing. You have to build that up, Pisces. You have that, but you have to build it again and again. You have to self-remind yourself about it. Okay, let's do the tarot now. I'll be looking at your past, present and future energies here, and let's see what is going on with my Pisces. What's going on with my Pisces, please? What's going on with my Pisces, please? What's going on? Past, present and future energies for my Pisces, May 2021. Okay, so at the end of the deck we have the Page of Wands for you, Pisces. So I feel that you are feeling very energetic at the present time. You are feeling very there are new ideas. You are feeling innovative, passionate. New ideas are coming up in your mind, and you are feeling that way. Big, strong energies. You're feeling very energetic. So that is why I was telling you Leo as the fire sign as well. A lot of fire is around you, energies, passion, ignition, everything like that is there around you. In the past, let's see your energy. See, there's the Empress, Two of Cups and the Seven of Swords. So I see some kind of lying and betrayal mode was there in the past energies. Either you or your person might have betrayed you for something, like just a conversation or something, because the Empress at the Two of Cups is here. Okay, so might be, you might have met your soulmate, but either you or your person, somebody has met the soulmate. You know this person, but you cheated this person with someone. Just, Empress, because Empress sometimes is the other lady as well. Although she is the nurturer, she is always the growth keeper, but there is one side of Empress. She is the one who comes in between of two people, and the other lady, the third lady, the second lady, basically. That energy is coming for you, Pisces. Might be you, might be your partner, anyone. This is the third party situation is coming up. So although you and your person are the soulmate with whom you are, but there was something. Okay. In the present, we have the King of Pentacles, Judgment, and the Nine of Pentacles. So over here, there is some decision making which is going on. I think you have already taken that decision with very strong, very strong cards are here with the decision making card. So King of Pentacles with the Nine of Pentacles. So this tells us about a stability and being independent. So this might be the person or your energy who are stable, independent, freedom. You or your person loves that thing. So this is a very beautiful energy which is coming up in the present. You are free, you are united, you are happy, you are stable, money wise and everything. See, things are happening fine, but do not bring the past issues in the present, otherwise it might ruin everything, because in the coming future again an energy is coming the same way. Four of Wands with the High Priestess and the Three of Cups. Well, Four of Wands with the Three of Cups, it feels that to me that there is a marriage coming up. Might be a beautiful relationship going towards a very serious mode. But with the High Priestess, I feel that, there is some kind of secrecy you might have not told your person, or your person might have not told you. There are some secrets involved here as well. So let's just clarify your reading. What's there for my Pisces, please? Clarification for my Pisces, please. Why the Page of Wands is here in the overall energy for my Pisces? Seven of Cups. So is it you or your person who has always been in some or the other confusion? Which one to choose? No, I like this one, but this one likes me. I like this one. There's always some confusion. You are so energetic, Pisces, that you might not be in a state to confirm it. But the Ten of Pentacles is here. There's a family card with someone. I don't know what confusion is this. This might be some other things in which you are involved. Might be more than one career, more than one job you are tackling, because you have so many ideas in your head that you just want to enter in everything. That might be a situation as well in your overall energy, because let's see. Yeah, this might be a family who is trying to tell you that you are, just be where you are. Do not try to jump here and there. Okay, do not try to find more ladies or more males and females. Okay, if you are a male, do not enter into more, like, do not find more other girls, other ladies, something like that. And if you're female, do not go, like, you have found the one, so do not confuse yourself. That is what I'm trying to tell you. And one more thing, if this is your career related thing, so do not try to enter in more situations. Whatever you are, wherever you are, it is perfect. Okay, just give time here only. Okay, give stability, give your loyalty here, and begin, just let that energy which is inside you, just put that energy in the work which you are doing. Do not try to just go and here and there. No, it will bring you nothing. The Empress, Two of Cups, and the Seven of Swords. King of Cups. So this is your energy, Pisces. Well, this is Scorpio energy as well. So Scorpio, Pisces, or Cancer. So I see a sailor over here always, because this person is in the water, and this is ship. There's a ship also over here. So I always see this card as a sailor. This is a very beautiful card when it comes to emotions. Somebody out there, either you or your person, you can also be there. King of Swords and King of Cups. Yes, definitely two two people are involved, like you and your person plus some other third person, either your person or your person's person. This is a third party situation which I am getting. King of Cups and King of Swords. One is very good practically, one is emotionally. you know Might be dealing with a Scorpio or Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. Let's see. So King of Pentacles is also here. There might be more than two people as well in this situation, because I have seen the Seven of Cups. So do not get involved in these too many energies, Pisces. That is what I'm trying to tell you. Why are these King of Pentacles, Judgment, and Nine of Pentacles are here? Hanged Man, still hanging, still wanting to finish the things which you have started. There might be some secrets involved as well, again I would tell you, Pisces. So try to end the things, try to end the past situations. You are really going, so this is a transformation of your life. If you are with this person, whosoever this is, if this is a person, if this is a situation, this is a life changing transformation. Do not try to enter into something else. If this is a job in which you are already working, if you are not happy at this time, confidence is your key over here. That is why this card has come up for you. You are not confident. That is why you are thinking, no, let me enter into something else, let me do this, let me do that. No, because this is the confidence, the self-confidence mode, which you have to put it on, in the on mode. Let's see why the Four of Wands is here. One card for Four of Wands. Three of Cups again. I see celebration in marriage, but still I see a third party as well. High Priestess. Eight of Swords. Either somebody's mind is still going on about something, in the future as well. You are thinking too much, or somebody is putting thoughts in your mind. So try to be away from this person, because the High Priestess energy, I'm not finding it good today. This High Priestess energy, I think you are happy wherever you are. You are just bringing more thoughts in your current life, and you might ruin everything which is going on. So your thoughts has to be clear, and do not let other people see how this crow is putting thoughts in this person's mind. That is how I see this always. This can be anyone around you, might be a family member, a friend of yours, or even your own thoughts. The bad side of yours or the good side of yours. You are overthinking at this time, and in the month of May as well. Why are you overthinking? Because of low self-esteem, low confidence. So wherever you are, just stay there. Okay, one more card for my Three of Cups. Justice. See, balance is required. That is what is required over here. You have to analyze the things around you. Alright, so that is all from my side, Pisces. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.